Hello everyone, and welcome to this video series on creating a children's book for Kindle. Join me, your host Genevieve, as I show you the process of writing this book, Alicia's Birthday Blues, that was written and illustrated by Christopher Becker. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to create your own children's ebook, from choosing a topic to marketing your book. And if you find this series helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. When it comes to starting a book, there are a few key elements that you'll need to consider. One of the most important is choosing a topic that will appeal to your target audience. This could be anything from a fun and engaging story to a more educational book that teaches children about a particular topic. Once you have a topic in mind, the next step is to start writing your book. This can involve a range of tasks, such as outlining your story, creating your characters, and developing your plot. It's important to keep your target audience in mind as you write, ensuring that your language and content is appropriate and engaging for young readers. Of course, writing is just one part of the book creation process. You'll also need to consider the illustrations, formatting, and marketing of your book. In this first video, we'll cover the basics of each of these areas, giving you a solid foundation for creating your own children's book for Kindle. Starting a book can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With a clear plan and some dedication, you can create a polished and professional book from start to finish. The first step is to decide on a topic. Your topic should be something that you are passionate about, and that you believe your target audience will enjoy reading. This could be anything from a cookbook, to a romance novel, to a self-help book. It's important to take the time to research your genre and see what topics are popular and in demand. Finding a topic for your book is a crucial step in the process, and it's important to take the time to choose the right one. First, you should consider your target audience and what they would enjoy reading. For example, if you're writing for children, think about what age range you're targeting and what types of stories they might find engaging. Brainstorming ideas is an effective way to come up with a topic. Write down as many ideas as you can think of, without censoring yourself or worrying about whether the ideas are good or not. Just let your imagination run wild and write down whatever comes to mind. Once you have a list of potential topics, it's a good idea to do some research on popular ebook topics in your genre. Look at the bestseller lists and see what types of books are selling well. This will give you an idea of what readers are interested in and what topics are currently trending. You may also want to consider your own interests and expertise when choosing a topic. Writing about a subject you are passionate about can make the process more enjoyable and may help you create a more compelling story. In essence, when choosing a topic for your book, it's important to consider your target audience, brainstorm ideas, research popular ebook topics in your genre, and consider your own interests and expertise. By doing this, you'll be able to select a topic that is both appealing to readers and fulfilling for you to write about. Once you have a topic in mind, it's time to start writing. The key to a successful book is a well-crafted story. This means having a clear plot with interesting characters, a defined beginning, middle, and end, and a compelling storyline that keeps your readers engaged. You should also keep your target audience in mind when writing, using language and themes that will appeal to them. Once you have a topic in mind, it's time to start writing. Writing is the heart and soul of any book, and it's important to get it right. The first step is to create a script. This is the foundation of your ebook and will guide you through the rest of the process. A script is simply an outline of your story, and it doesn't need to be perfect or polished at this stage. Start writing ideas. Don't worry about structure or grammar yet, just get your ideas down on paper. Once you have a list of ideas, start to organize them into a coherent narrative. Think about your audience and what they would enjoy reading. Consider what themes and messages you want to convey through your book. Once you have a rough outline of your story, start fleshing it out with details. This is where you can start to think about character development, setting, and dialogue. Remember to keep your script simple and straightforward. Don't try to overcomplicate things with too many characters or subplots. Focus on the core story and build from there. You can always add more detail and complexity later on. So this is our starting point and introduction to creating your next book. Thank you for joining me in this first video of our series on creating a children's book for Kindle. I hope you found this information helpful in getting started on your own project. In our next video, we'll dive into the details of your story and bringing it to life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next installment. Looking forward to seeing you again.